We can remove onomatopoeias with beat.io, like I just did. Basically, we select this video here, then click on Magic Cut, which removes the ums, ahs, and bad takes. We click here and continue. It asks for English audio, clear speech separate from music, and clips between 10 seconds and 55 minutes. I'll click continue. I know it won't work well as it's not in English, but this is the tool we use. As you can see, it's in beta mode, which means it hasn't detected my speech due to language, but it's in beta. I'm sure they'll improve it soon.